it's me again, Crystal. I bet you remember me from the How to Measure video. Now before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your curtains from DIYblinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 20 to 30 minutes for this installation. If you have large curtains over 3 meters, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean. Then scan the QR code on your product box. This will take you to the DIYblinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page. If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390. Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder. Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you should be fine to start, but if you're drilling into plaster, you have 2 options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs or ceiling battens are. Your second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your curtain brackets to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. Once you're 100% clear about what you need to do, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIYblinds a call before going any further.
Hello again. Now, as I've said before, I'm a roller skating expert, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIYblinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your curtains. So let's get this rolling. First, lay your track next to your window and make sure the width of the track matches the width of your window or wall. For 2 or more pieces of track, lay your joiners on the floor and click them together so the ends meet in the middle of the track joiner. Now, lay the brackets next to your track and space them out about 600mm apart to work out how many you'll need. If you're screwing into plaster, the best way to attach your curtains is to your ceiling battens. Use a stud finder, which by the way, isn't a dating app, to find your battens. They can run either lengthways or vertically across the ceiling. Whatever type of ceiling you've got, you now need to make marks 35mm out from your wall or from any window frames or roller blinds that project out. If you have a double track, make a second set of marks on the ceiling 145mm out from the wall. Next, find your brackets, as you'll soon be screwing them into your ceiling. Then position each bracket in line with the marks and mark the screw hole. For 2 or more pieces of track, don't mark up and screw in your middle brackets just yet. Now, use your drill to screw your brackets, but before you do that, make sure you put your protective eyewear on. You know I'm all about wearing the right gear. Screw them partway into your ceiling so they're still a bit loose, using your drill and the screws provided. Next, click your track into the middle bracket. Now you can tighten the screws in your middle bracket to fix in place. Snap your track into the other brackets and tighten the screws, checking as you go that the track is fixed securely in place. Next, click in your curtains. Check the top of your curtain panels and make sure there's a pendant or hook attached to each press stud. For S-fold curtains, like this, click each pendant into your track starting at one edge. Make an S shape as you go by folding the fabric forwards and backwards, like this. For pleated curtains, carefully attach every single hook into your track. Your curtains should now hang beautifully from your ceiling mounted track. And that's a wrap. If things aren't rolling along smoothly, just call us on 1300 918 390.